and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, we opened up a brand new box here that Round 2 sent us over some new kits to check out. Currently, I am filming the GTX. I should have that up this weekend, so please watch for that. So let's go ahead and open the box up and see what they sent. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today. Well, all right, the first one they sent was this 57 Chevy Corvette Street Machine. This is part of their Custom Cruiser series. It looks pretty cool. You get a big block in it. Pretty nice. You got some Street Star wheels, Kriegers. Got headers, got a scooper, bucket seats, wheelie bars. And over here, we got some pretty cool decals. That's pretty awesome. Look at that. That's pretty slick. And then here's the back. Pretty neat. I'm digging it. I really like this Custom Cruiser series. Really cool stuff. Let's go ahead and show the next one. All right. The next one is the 49 Merc. This is a versatile kit. I mean, you can make a lead sled out of this. Cut and chop the top. Channel it. All sorts of stuff. They got a racer on the side. That's pretty cool. And over here, you got the stock one with the wide whites. The trunk opens on this kit. That's really cool. You got a lot of detail. You can do that. Got a lot of neat stuff in here. I really dig it. There's the back there. You get some cool decals. Really versatile kit. I really like the, I think they called these like the silent box or something because it had no writing on the box. I'm not 100% sure. It was something of that nature, but I like this vintage artwork. I collect the artwork, and so I really like how they brought back some of these older versions. And this is a great kit to build. So let's bring over the other one. All right, this one here is a 96 Camaro Z28. This is pretty cool. I remember when these were brand new on the lot, and they sold a lot of them, and they're fairly quick for what they were. And it's pretty detailed. These are obviously pictures of the real car stuff. There, the steering wheel and wheel and engine photographs. And then over here, decal set, very 90s right there. Pretty cool. Look at that. It also comes with an up top. I saw it there. There it is right there. Pretty neat stuff. A lot of parts in there. This is a pretty detailed kit. This is going to be pretty fun. I'm actually going to dig this one. I like this aqua color. Pretty cool. I like detailed kits like this, and from the 90s is pretty slick. I'm glad there's some of them are making a comeback. All right. I saved the best one, I think, for last. So let's take a look. All right. We got a 72 Jeepster Commando. This is a cool kit. It looks like they've reissued the top for it. Previous versions did not have the top, and it also has the half cab in there. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. A lot of neat stripes. You can make the Roadster or the pickup. This is pretty cool. There's our interior. You got a stock V6 engine. I believe this was a V6 from a General Motors vehicle, like a Buick, I think, at one time. Comment down below. I think that's what that was. Because I believe Kaiser had the rights for the Buick V6 for their cars back in the day before AMC took them over. And there's a push bumper, some off-road tires, trailer hitch, tow bar, some warning lights. Pretty cool stuff in this. I think this is cool. Antenna. This is neat. Look at all the parts you get. The half cab stuff and your full top. And I see, did you see that in there? Look at that sneaking in there. You have the old style Jeep front end hiding in there. I wonder if you could build that. I don't know. We'll find out when we open it up to build it though, because this is one of my favorites. I really like the all new decals. Really cool. All right, well, I want to thank Round 2 for sending over some new stuff to check out, and we'll get to the builds. I'm still working on the box that they sent a week or so ago. Here's a little sneak peek of the GTX. that's come along. That video should be out this weekend, so please watch for that. And as always, I appreciate everybody's likes and subscribes and everything, and sharing, and your comments. I try and read every comment and respond to them. So until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.